apple pie cake, version 2, spice cake mix, then a pie filling, and my eggs. Just mix this all together. All right, I got my 9x13 that I have sprayed with oil. We're gonna bake this, and then we're gonna cut it and see what Mike thinks. It is straight out of the oven. It smells like an apple pie. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to cut into this. We're gonna let it cool just a little bit. I'm not going to frost this one. Oh, yum. That looks delicious.
So this one is an unknown miscellaneous apple thing. Tara said it's an apple pie cake, I guess. So this apple pie cake, we're gonna try this. Yum. She's wounded, that's why she's not here.
She's temporarily out of commission.
Yes. See, she just gives it up for y'all. Okay, trying this one. Apple pie cake. Mmm. That's even more like an apple pie. That is delicious. Yum.